Hey guys, it's summertime and you know what that means. You've got to take care of your AC maintenance. It's so very important, especially after the spring we had down here in Texas. Lots of pollen, lots of just different stuff floating around, you know, and now the cottonwood is floating around or has been, and that stuff can gunk up your outside unit, the one on top of your rig. Now, you also have to take care of the one inside. So you got to clean those filters and get all that done too.
Before we get started, let's go over a few safety issues. For one, make sure that your HVAC, your AC unit, is powered off. That way it doesn't kick on, blow cleaner in your face or anything like that. The other thing too is you have to be conscious of your surroundings and what you're bringing up on the roof. So how I get all my tools up on the roof is I just put them in a bucket and carry them up the ladder. So that way it's one trip, one and done. Hopefully that is, but you know how things go. All right, so the first thing I did was remove the top cover, and then that's going to give us a look of what's going on the inside. So we're looking for any kind of debris that may have gotten through the cover and might be obstructing the motor, the fans, whatever, and then just do a general cleaning. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a leaf blower to just get a lot of the leaves out of the way. That way it makes the job a little easier. Still got some leaves down there, so I'm gonna have to get down there with a little screwdriver, get them all out. That way I clean the whole area so that maximum airflow is gonna happen. Make sure that you're checking your fan motor. Make sure that spins good. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the coils. And today we're using the evaporator coil cleaner. It's a heavy duty foamer. It's self-rinsing, so you don't have to rinse it out or anything like that. One thing you want to look for is the fins on the AC coil. Sometimes with impacts, stuff that comes through, it's going to damage them. If you look right here and here, we've got a couple spots that we're going to rework with some tools. So let me grab those. All right, so these are going to be your AC fin brushes, and basically the whole purpose of these is to straighten out the fins to make sure that the airflow keeps going and we keep getting cooler air. The fins on the AC, they're very fragile, so you want to make sure that you get the right size one, otherwise you might damage your fins and then you'll have to start over and try and get them all lined up. And also be aware, if it's a windy day, you might be blowing more debris onto the coils. So just be aware of that. I got the coil all cleaned up, did my inspection. Now basically you just got to put the cover back on, and I'm going to hand you down over to Rhonda, and Rhonda's going to show you what we do on the inside. Also, while you're up here, it's probably a good time to clean the roof.
Now inside, we have where our filters are and everything, and I think eventually we're going to put in the DIY type of RV airflow thing. We're going to create that and put it and make it even better in here, but for now we just make sure we clean the filters thoroughly and the little pieces that hold the filters in, because they get really dirty. So we're going to do that today, and hopefully the air conditioner runs even better. We haven't been traveling for about a month, so that's just been sitting here. That's not even kicking up dust and us being in here. So we keep the air on all the time to keep it nice in here. So you just pop them out like that, and there you have it. So I'm going to wash these and put them back. So as you can see, I have the air filters off now, and it's really not difficult to wash these things. They're all plastic, so you just put them in your sink, wash them off real good, pat them dry, and then put them back in. All right, so we're all done. I got everything back together. The filters are nice and clean. All right, I'm really happy about that. We finally got all that done. Got the roof AC done, got the inside part of the AC done, so that's really good. One thing to note, when you do pull your filters on the inside AC, make sure you look up in there. Look and see if any tape has dislodged itself. or if any tape is missing or anything like that, because you want to make sure you get it taped back up and you're not leaking air in other places, because that makes your air conditioner more inefficient. And sometimes it just happens. The tape comes undone. You just retape it, or you put back the piece that may have fallen off. But yeah, it happens. These things move, they shake when they're going down the road, and tape doesn't always hold, especially in the temperatures where we're at. In Texas, the humidity is really bad, so things sticking to walls and vents and stuff like that, it gets to be kind of a pain in the butt because things just tend to come apart. So, like we've said before, we use dehumidifiers, but it's not always 100%, and sometimes even the things in the AC do come undone. So, that is it for us for now. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, never take anything for granted. We'll see you out there. Bye.